Get ready for the ultimate work and play machine, the 2024 Mule Pro-FXT 1000 LE. Whether you're on the job or hitting the trails, the Mule Pro-FXT 1000 LE has got you covered. With its spacious cabin and flexible seating, it's the perfect companion for any adventure. Built tough to handle any task, the Mule Pro-FXT 1000 LE is equipped with a powerful engine and a rugged frame that can withstand the toughest conditions. Conquer any terrain with confidence. The Mule Pro-FXT 1000 LE's exceptional off-road performance and four-wheel drive system allow you to tackle even the most challenging landscapes. Need to haul equipment or gear? No problem. The Mule Pro-FXT 1000 LE comes with a spacious cargo bed and an impressive towing capacity, making it the perfect partner for work and play. Stay connected and comfortable on every journey. The Mule Pro-FXT 1000 LE is equipped with advanced technology and ergonomic features that enhance your driving experience. Work hard, play hard with the 2024 Mule Pro-FXT 1000 LE. It's time to unleash the full potential of your adventures.